A disturbing incident has come to light, where a woman who accused someone of rape was allegedly harassed by police and forced to run from pillar to post. The victim claims that instead of receiving support and justice, she was subjected to further trauma and humiliation by the authorities.
Cops file sexual abuse case. Victim withdraws claim. On news, मडगांवा पुलिस स्टेशनाचेर काल आखो दीसभर हें जाल्लें. आज जेन्ना आमी वुमन एम्पावरमेंट, वुमन सेफ्टी आणि 30%, 50%, 60% वुमन रिजर्वेशन, वुमन MLA हे सगळें उलयता आनी सगळें बरें दिसता आसतना एक्चुअल बायलो गोंयांत सेफ आहा. प्रोसिजर जो आहा बायलांचे सेफ्टीचेर, जो सरकारागे जे पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट आहा, जे बायलांक प्रोटेक्ट करपाच्यो ज्यो एजन्सीज आहा ते खरें करताय काय वो करनाय. वी विल जस्ट गो थ्रू द एंटायर सिनारियो ऑफ दिस केस. व्हाट हॅपन्ड. आज आमचे बरा एडवोकेट
जानकी शिंदे,
and I think she will speak.
ओके. 16 तारखेक 16 मार्चाक रातचे 8:30 सुमार आमकां कॉमान म्हणून फ्लॅट आसा 3rd फ्लोराचेर. तेन्ना थंय आमकां सकयल्यान रडपाचे आवाज येवपाक लागले. एक बायल मनशाचे. आमी सकयल पळयलें जाल्यार आमकां दिसलें की आमचे जे ग्रावंड फ्लोराचेर एकटे रावतात तांचे कडेन एकटी बायल उलयताली आनी रडटाली. ती मुझे हेल्प करो भैया, मुझे हेल्प करो भैया अशें. सो बायल मनीस आशिल्ली, रडटाली म्हणटकीर आमी दोगांय, हांव आनी म्हजो घोव दोगांय एडवोकेट, आमी सकयल धांवली पळोवपाक कितें जालें काय म्हणून. सो ताका जेन्ना आमी मेळ्ळी तेन्ना हांवें विचारलें क्या हुआ. जाल्यार ते रडटाले, ते उलयतालें की मैं गोवा की नहीं हूँ इसीलिए मेरे साथ कुछ भी कर सकते हैं क्या, गरीब हूँ तो मुझे कुछ नहीं है अशें करून. शी वॉज जस्ट आस्किंग क्वेश्चन. सो आई आस्क्ड हर क्या हुआ, मुझे मारा. शी स्टार्टेड showing and she started crying. So the moment she said Mara, so I realized that this is slightly serious and that I should call the police. And I do not have, I'm an advocate, but I do not really have experience in these kinds of criminal matters. And frankly speaking, इतले ते रेप बद्दल आमी आयकतात, न्यूज पळयतात, पूण this is the first time I saw a rape victim. And the look in her eyes was it's unmissable. When to see another, as a woman, to see another woman in that kind of a state. So आमी पुलिसाक फोन केलो, मडगांव टाउन पुलिस स्टेशनाक फोन केलो. तांणी सांगलें शिगमोत्सव आसा, वी डू नॉट हॅव अ व्हेकल, तुमी हांगा येवपाक शकतात काय म्हणून. We said okay because we wanted to get ahead with this thing as soon as possible. We did not want any kind of a delay. कारण न्यूजान भितर all this is so much की delay जालो, हें करपाक delay जालो, there's a delay. We didn't want that, so we called the police as soon as possible. तांणी सांगलें आमकां थंय यो. We said okay fine. हांवें ताका आमची बायक्स आसा, आमचे बायक्सा म्हऱ्यान व्हेलें. We didn't have a car at that time. आणि थंय व्हेलें आनीक तें म्हाका तेन्ना आनी तें मातशें हें जावपाक लागलें. शी स्टार्टेड लुजींग हर बॅलन्स. ताणें म्हाका पकडलें, हांवें ताका पकडलें आनी शी हग्ड मी. आणि देन शी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग की दीदी 3 भैया थे. एंड वैसे क्या किया, मैंने क्या किया तुमको. सो शी कुडंट वर्बलाइज इट एनी फर्दर. शी स्टार्टेड showing me by touching her private parts, and she fell unconscious in my arms. And I did not know whether she's been poisoned. Why did a woman all of a sudden fall unconscious in my arms. आणि ते जालें ताजें तोंड. सो I didn't know what to do. I really panicked. So घोव आशिल्लो म्हजो थंय म्हजे नेबर आशिल्लो सेकंड फ्लोरार वयलो वी स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग एवरीबडी 108 कॉल केलो बायलांचो एकवटाक कॉल केलो पुलिसाक फोन केलो एडवोकेटाक एक फोन केलो की बाबा रे अशें सिच्युएशन जालां मडगांव टाउन पुलीस स्टेशन इज नॉट कमिंग हियर कॅन यू प्लीज सेंड समबडी विथ अ कार सो फायनली एंड इन द मीन टायम हांव ताचेर उदक घालें आय कायंड ऑफ revived her, he gave her some water to drink. She was tugging at my t-shirt. So तितले म्हणसर आयली 108 आयली ताका आमी मातशें उबारलें पुलीस आयले दोग जाणां आय डू नॉट रिमेंबर द नेम्स रायट नाव इट वॉज टू मच फॉर मी एट दॅट पॉयंट बायलांचो एक कोर्टाचे हे आयली कोऑर्डिनेटर आयली एंड वी पुट हर इन टू द एम्ब्युलन्सान भितर फक्त हांव आशिल्लें ते विक्टीम आशिल्ले आनी द लेडी डॉक्टर आशिल्ली सो द लेडी डॉक्टर ते म्हाका सोडत नाशिल्लें शी लायक होल्डिंग ऑन टू मी लायक सो आय सॅट नेक्स्ट टू हर and she was crying and the lady doctor took her blood sample and took her pressure and at that time she was asking her कि कहाँ से आई हो क्या हुआ and at that time I said तुमको बोलना पड़ेगा बोलो जवाब दो so ते सांगता आसतना ते रडपाक लागले की she started giving details of what has happened कि पीने को कुछ जूस दे दिया काला जूस दे दिया कितें म्हणटा ते मागीर मुझको मारा मुझे यहाँ पे काटा और मुझे अशें पाले आनी रडपा शी जस्ट कुडंट वर्बलाइज द टर्म and she said this she was showing she was speaking there was a lot of non-verbal communication happening at that point of time that was her mental state she couldn't verbalize it so tajanantar she even said two of them used a condom one of them did not use a condom there were so many details there so after that we reached the South Goa district hospital we went to the casualty ward on the ground floor she fainted once again in front of the lady doctor sitting there we put her on a कितें ताका एका बेडाचेर ताका न्हिदपाक दिलें घालें तांणी no doctors came to attend to her. She wasn't even given water to drink. आणि ताका तशेंच मागीर ताणें कितें तरी नांव बी तागेलें बरोवन घेतलें आनी आमकां वयर धाडलें गायनेकोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंटान एट दीस पॉयंट ऑफ टायम I was asked to move out of the ward and let the NGO take care of it but somehow the girl had latched on to me there was some like I don't know she had lost full faith so when she was tugging at me so ताज्यानंतर आमी भायर आयली हांव भायर आयलें थोडे वेळ I was talking to people advocates I was asking for help no help was coming and then we went to the upper floor in the gynecology department there was no doctor there who attended to the victim police arrived फातोडा पुलीस स्टेशनांतल्यान प्रभुदेसाय म्हणून पुलीस ऑफिसर केम स्टार्टेड कितें खंय जालें खंयच्यान आयलें तूं केन्ना आयलें तूं शी स्टार्टेड आस्किंग ऑल दीस क्वेश्चन शी वॉज टेलिंग ताजे नंतर थोड्या वेळान परब आयलें फ्रॉम मडगांव टाउन पुलीस स्टेशन शी ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड आस्किंग अनुष्का परब देवर ऑल्सो अदर मेल पुलीस सो they were asking and she was telling Miss Ubai, आज है या कल है and then the line of questioning which even I was like I wasn't intoxicated I was just fine but and I'm an advocate so I know the law but the line of questioning by the police and was so confusing कि ये हुआ या ये नहीं हुआ I mean when she's saying something they were twisting it and they were asking her something else so she was looking at me कि पानी चाहिए so I asked for some water and gave it to her from time to time I called up the advocates again saying that they are not taking down the FIR they are not doing any medical examination I was told wait so I waited because this is my first time I did not know what is the reality on ground how bad it is So थंयच्यान मागीर we were brought back. I started asking, medical कित्याक करना? Police said तांकां विचार, meaning the receptionाच्या फाटल्यान बशिल्ली ती. They said आमकां memo जाय पडटा पुलिसा कडल्यान. Until we get a memo, we cannot go ahead with this. So I came back to the police and said, why isn't there a memo? So they said आमी मागीर police स्टेशनार वचचें पडटलें. So and they were also asking, ते न्ही सारकें सांगना, आमकां कळपाक जाय, ताका पकडपाक जाय. थंय तें आयिल्लें, ताका खंयच्यान तांणी व्हेलें, कशें व्हेलें, आमकां तें कळपाक जाय न्ही. So they took all of us down and we sat in a police van. She was sitting on the middle seat of, I think it was a Scorpio or something, middle seat. I was sitting next to her. Aura Viegas on the other side, and Parab was sitting next to me. Mukhawailan te Prabhu Desai bashile. And the van went on the, from district hospital and Bhairailan. She's saying कि मुझे यहाँ का कुछ नहीं पता. And they are still asking her, कहाँ पे ये किया था, कहाँ पे KTC या ये bus stand या वो bus stand. She's not able to tell. So then they were like, KTC bus stand. She's like, KTC bus stand. So words were being put in her mouth. What she was saying, they were not ready to take it at all. The important parts were not being, covered. Procedure was not being followed. In the sense that I at least know that you need to be a little sensitive towards, the victim. That sensitivity was not shown at all. In fact, she was treated like the culprit. Like Tane's wrong kela. That was the treatment meted out to her. So I was confused. She was confused. And with the situation, I'm like, okay, I'm a, somebody who studied law for quite long, and ki baba on ground situation ki the first time, what is the status of our democracy was the first time maka experience. So I was in complete shock. So आमकां KTC कडेन व्हेलें, मुखार व्हेलें, फाटल्यान व्हेलें. यहाँ पे she's confused, she's looking at me. I'm telling her, just बोलो, उनको बोलो, जो है वो बोलो. So I didn't know what to say. I'm like, you need to do this. Then she said that KTC च्या सारखे opposite थंय H26 म्हणून एक गाडो आसा थंय वडापाव आपणे खालो. So it is that first जेन्ना KTCतल्यान जेन्ना बसी भायर येता पळय त्यो. She said that बस अंदर नहीं गई थी. It was a Vasco. It's some kind of a, from her village to Vasco bus. It was that. So we took a turn. We waited there. यहाँ पे अशें करून ताका she is, and I am confused. I am waiting for the NGO lady to, speak up, but she's there. So I'm like, okay, I have that faith that, she will do the right thing, So senior lady in this, been doing this for 32 years, and I was reminded of that fact several times throughout the night. I'm doing this for 32 years, so yes, and this is my first time, so I know nothing about it. They know everything about it. I asked Parab, how long have you been into this? She said 1 year. The other girl, Prabhu Desai from Patoda, also looked pretty young. As far as I know, in these kinds of crimes, which are very sensitive, you're supposed to send a senior officer, not a junior like this, who cannot handle it. And they were clearly mishandling it. So then Ami Ashin Gunan last up. In the van, this is very important. In the van, her hands were caught by Prabhu Desai saying, "Itaja hadar te martle." So I'm like, I just didn't understand the whole drama. Karan ya माझ्या मुखार तीनदा faint जाल्ली बायल भुरगें 24 वर्साचें. Such a, not like अशें व्हडलें धिप्पाड की हाका मारतले, nothing, नाजूक चली. When she collapsed in my arms, I could hold her. So हांव म्हणटा तें कितें मारतलें, आनी Parab is saying की हाजी तकली मुगो जाग्यार ना, कारण हाका IPH बीन धाडपाचें. I am looking at her. I mean, how can you make statements like that? And she said, the victim said, "Maka Kokani kalta." Yet they went on verbally abusing her, harassing her. I'm looking at Aura Viegas. She's also like whatever. This whole drama. दीस इज शिगमोत्सव टायम न्हू, हो सगळो शिगमो शिगम्याची नाटकां चालू आशिल्लीं भितर इन द वॅन. आनी लास्टाक हांवें म्हळें बाबा म्हाका तें खंय मेळ्ळें न्ही थंय दाखयता, लेट्स गो टू कोंबा. सो आय शोड माय एरिया, बाबा म्हाका तें हांगा मेळ्ळें. एंड शी वॉज टॉकिंग टू माय ग्राउंड फ्लोर नेबर, बरें तांकां हाड. वी वेंट एंड आय वेंट एंड वोक देम अप. बाय दॅट आय थिंक 11:30 12 बिरा जाल्ली, आय थिंक सो. तांकां हाडलें, दे स्पोक टू देम ऑर समथींग एंड दे पूट विक्टिमाक भायर येवपाक दिलें ना तांणी. आनी बरें बरें म्हणून आनी म्हाका थंय दवरलें, मिनींग लायक आय वॉज ड्रॉप्ड होम एंड दे टूक द विक्टीम बॅक. द विक्टीम टर्न्ड इन द वॅन एंड केप्ट लुकिंग एट मी समवेअर, that she trusted me in this. She did not trust anybody. And I came up, how shockan. I don't know how much to get involved in this, and अशें जातात न्ही, म्हाका कोणाक त्रासान पडपाचें आसता. None of us want to do it. I don't want to do this also. I have to do it because हांव कोमान रावता. कोंबा इज द हार्ट ऑफ मडगांव. थंय समज भायर सरतकीर रेप विक्टीम भोंवपा लागले, रडपा लागले. फाल्यां वी डोंट नो, देर मे बी शुटिंग्स हॅपनिंग, वी डोंट नो हाव बॅड द सिच्युएशन इज. अ फ्यू इयर्स अगो देर वॉज कोण बुचकावून कोणा मारिल्लो. सो बाबा परिस्थिती कितली वायट आसा. इफ यू आर फायंडींग क्रायींग विमन हू आर सेयींग दॅट दे बीन सेक्शुअली असॉल्टेड. सो फायनली I came up to my flat and my husband, I told him ki baba re, something is not right, something is terribly wrong. I mean, something is, I told him this has happened, they did this to her, they did this to her. So he's like, okay, let's go back to the police station, let's go back, let's ask them. So within a few minutes, maybe like half an hour, because I wanted to kind of, I was totally shaking by that time. So we came back to the police station and ताका भितर घालून कितें तरी ते करताली. Aura Vegas, the victim, Parab, and that other woman with Aura Vegas. They were talking. So we sat out for a while. Like, we want to talk. I was the one who complained. I want to see where she is. What is happening right now? Is the FIR registered? No. आणि बाकीच्या भायल्याय ती पुलीस म्हाका खबर ना कोण आयला काय, कोणाक काय खबरूच नासता. कळ्ळें? आय सेड परब, कोण खबर ना परब, कोणाक तांकां नांवां एकमेकाची खबर नासतात. दीस अ स्पेशालिटी ऑफ पुलीस stations right now. You ask them the name, they will not tell you the name. So then we finally the door opened and I saw her and I went in and that's when this is at around 1:45 12:45 a.m. हांवें म्हळें कितें पिशेपणां चल्ल्या काय म्हणून. हाव लॉंग डज इट टेक फॉर यू टू ब्लडी टेक डावन अ FIR? I am not confused. She is not confused. Why are you so confused about her statement? What is so confusing when the victim, she's been, she's saying 3 people raped her. What are you expecting out of a woman who was intoxicated, slapped, and raped by 3 men? What's the psychological setup like? And these are women, these are not men. We usually blame men. I want to put it on record. These are women doing this. Insensitive to the core. I asked them, हे समज मिनिस्टराचे भुरगे आशिल्ले तुमी हे करतली आशिल्ली का म्हणून. I asked them this question. करतले आशिल्ले तुमी? And I had asked why FIR is not being done. परत shouted at me saying तेच करताली, तुमी आयले आणि you are obstructing. आणि इतलो वेळ लागलो करपाक. So there were these things, she was attacking me for doing the right thing and questioning her why she's not doing the right thing. So परत वॅनान भितर आमकां व्हरून बसयलें and आमी डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान, this is after around 1:15 a.m. So 17th March जाली already. And we went back to South Goa District Hospital. गाडी भितर सन्नासन परत U-turn मारली. परत आमी मडगांव टाउन पुलीस स्टेशना कडेन आयली. परत म्हळ्यार गाडयेन भितर बसली. परत आमी लुक एट द वे थिंग्स आर. आमकां फक्त थंयच्यान हांगा नाटक, थंयच्यान हांगा हाडलें, हांगच्यान थंय व्हेलें. थ्रू आउट दीस होल थिंग, whenever I tried to shoot, record, I was not allowed to. Okay? And this is not my first time. So, maybe next time I should go with secret cameras. I don't know. So, we went to the hospital. We were taken to the gynecological department. We were waiting outside. No doctor came. After half an hour, I asked, Parab. I said, where is the doctor? She told me, doctor has refused to do medical examination until FIR is registered. So I said, let me write a complaint and give. Ata, written complaint. Please go ahead on that. Bare. So I wrote, she made some changes in it. I wrote down the complaint and gave it to her, to check kind of. Hey, madam, he sarkya asa nahi. Okay, she took it and went. I said, copy, no copy, not even my mobile phone. आणि थोड्या वेळान ती पाले बरे उठ 3:30 झाली तितले म्हणसर उठ ते न्ही दिल्लें. सो आमी ताका उठयलें, आमी परत सकयल गेली, परत वॅनान बसली, मडगांव टावन पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर परत आयली 3:30 4:45 तितले म्हणसर तितले म्हळ्यार इन द गायनेकोलॉजिकल थंय जेन्ना आशिल्ली पळय भायर डिपार्टमेंटाच्या भायर तेन्नाच ते म्हाका म्हणपाक दीदी आप क्यों इतना ये कर रहे हो मेरे लिए, मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे घर जाना है, मुझे नहीं चाहिए ये सब कुछ. आणि शी ऑल्सो टोल्ड मी दैट परब खड़ूस है एक नंबर की, मुझे नहीं नॉट अबाउट यू, ये तुम्हारा नहीं है, बाकी के लड़कियों के साथ भी ये हो रहा है, हमको ये जो कर रहे हैं ना उनको अभी ये नहीं, मेरे साथ भी हुआ है ये, मैं अभी आई कैन नॉट टॉलरेट दिस एनी मोर, यू नो, ये दिस हैज टू स्टॉप.
Narration has happened. We can keep talking for hours and hours. 8:30 राती कोडे victim मेळ्ळे. 9:30 in the evening victim was already under the police. From the police, the victim has been roaming till whole day morning. So, सकाळी 4 जाली. Evening, victiman म्हणलें की I do not want to complain. सांजची 4. पण सकाळी आख्खो गोत एक बायल मनशा घेऊन police constable PSI घेऊन भोंवता. We don't know whether a rape has happened, not happened. ते मागीर टेस्ट करून पडटले. पूण टेस्ट करपा धाडना. सी हेर सगळे मागीर जाता, बट सद्याक दॅट नायट वॉट इज दिस हॅपनिंग. आनी जेन्ना कोणाक कितें जाता, टुडे इट वॉज अ इन्सिडंट ऑफ अ रेप विक्टीम. बायल मनशाक कितें जालें जाल्यार इज इट नॉट द ड्युटी. हांव SP कडेन विचारपाक सोदता. आय हॅव सीन द न्यूज विच इज कम टुडे ऑन दी गोवन न्यूज पेपर. आणि हियर the SP South, Tikam Singh, informed that the Margao police station have registered the case of rape against unknown person based on a complaint filed by a female lawyer. मैं SP साहब आपसे पूछना चाह रहा हूं, आपको पता है कब कंप्लेंट फाइल किया, कब FIR किया? आपने पूछा कि रात को 8:30 बजे ये स्टार्ट हुआ, शाम को 4 बजे तक आपके डिपार्टमेंट ने क्यों कंप्लेन रजिस्टर नहीं किया, क्यों मेडिकल नहीं किया? आपको पता है या इसी तरह का आपका व्यवहार है? आप IAS ऑफिसर हो, आप पूरा साउथ गोवा देखते हो. मैं आपको ये जानना चाहता हूं कि आपका जो PSI है, PSI का नाम है अनुष्का परब. SP साउथ गोवा नीड्स टू डू एन इन्वेस्टिगेशन. This Anushka Parab, why has she not done her duties as per the SOPs laid down? Ask Anushka Parab. Anushka Parab needs to go into an investigation and find out. Police officer Miss Prabhu Desai, E-lady, Fatorda Town Police. Why didn't she do her duty as per the SOP? She needs to go under investigation. Third is lady medical doctor on duty in casualty ward, South Goa District Hospital. Third government servant. Why didn't you do your duty? Gynecologist, gynecologist बरे गेले, थिंग gynecologist ना. Police gynecologist बरे गेल मुडरी विचारता सांगता की FIR ना म्हणून ते परत तुम खबर ना. रातभर तू 4 देखून एक विक्टिमा घेऊन तू भोंवता आणि आम तुमचे विश्वासान रावपाचे. Finally, I want to ask Ranjita Pai, chairperson, you need to resign from this position. The BJP government for today need to put this seat out. Ranjita Pai has to go out. There is sufficient communication here, which I would want to think. She says, I think that lady is pro. You don't get much involved in that and move out from there. CM has definitely interfered, but you don't make a statement of that, please. रंजिता परब म्हणटा CM इंटरफियर जाला. हे आता AI जनरेटेड म्हणून हे हांव उडयनाका. हे AI जनरेटेड जाल्यार देखून इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करा, ते रिझाइन जावपा लाया. शी इज सेइंग CM has interfered. Has CM interfered? Yes or no? Ranjita Parab, Ranjita Pai knows. Ranjita Pai खबर आहा CM interfere झाला की नाही कित्याक ताणें म्हणला. She needs to go home. She is not fit for this job. She is not fit for this job. And also she is saying, don't get emotional. You don't interfere in media, dear. My request to you, they are all opportunists न्हू. तुमकां मिडियाक तूं opportunist म्हणटा. हेच रंजिता पै वाचा. दिस इज नॉट AI. मोबायलाचो हांगासा मोबायलाचे नंबर पया, सगळे पया, ना जाल्यार मागीर AI म्हणच्या. कित्याक AI हुंय तें पळयता. I have only simple few things. रंजिता पै, we need an answer. तुवें म्हणला CM interfere जाला. Give an answer. You have not helped in this. You have not at all done anything. So in tege communication, she is accountable for an answer today. The PSI Parab, she is accountable. The doctor in the GMC, the medical doctor, the lady medical doctor at Goa District Hospital, South Goa District Hospital, she is responsible to answer. Miss Prabhu Desai at Fatorda is responsible. All these people are responsible to answer. They take salaries from the government. All this is in your domain. Justice need to be given. Number 1, victiman जरी तरी म्हणले आपल्या मेडिकल करपा नाका आणि आपल्या कंप्लेन दिवपा नाका म्हणल्यार केस सोंपली. रातची 8:30 सोन सांजची 4 नेक्स्ट डे इवनिंग केस सोंपता आणि SP म्हणटा जाली FIR registered on an unknown person. I am only trying to tell everyone, आज जरी तर आमदार म्हणून निवडून हाडले आणि आम होरे वुमन सेफ्टी म्हणटाय जाल्यार इज दिस नॉट वुमन सेफ्टी दॅट शुड हॅव हॅपन्ड राईट? ही जी पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबल आणि PSI तुमगे बायल जे आहा तेमकां पयलीं सद्या सेफ्टी दिवपाक कट्टा ओ तेंक बसोवन दवरलाय थिंगा. सो असेंब्ली आसपाक 4 दीस उरल्या आणि ही परिस्थिती, दिस विल बी टेकन अप देयर. वी विल स्पीक.